Hello everyone and welcome to EthanCooks. Today we'll be making a no cream, simple mushroom soup. Obviously, first you need mushrooms, like these right here. I'm using shiitake sliced mushrooms, like these. These are found in certain shops. They're called dried shiitake mushrooms. These are sliced. Right now they're dried, so you could break them easily. But when you turn them into mushrooms, even though they already are, you just need to place them in hot water. And I keep that hot water because it keeps some of the mushroom taste. And this water I placed it in this bowl. I placed 3 other cups of water and some vegetable stock here. The other ingredients are 1 sliced onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and some herbs and spices to taste. It could be a mixture of whatever you want. In a non-stick pan, add your 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it on the pan. After butter is melted, we add our onions and wait for them to caramelize. Now that our onions have caramelized, we add our 3 cloves of garlic. And after that, we wait for 3 minutes. Now that our 3 minutes have passed, we add our mushrooms. We just pour them and mix it together. Then, after some mixing, you add in 2 tablespoons of your flour. Mushrooms and everything else with your flour. After a while, you have to add your salt and pepper. Now we pour in our mixture of our water and vegetable soup. Now we add our spices and herbs mixture. Now after a while, you have to add the remaining 2 tablespoons of your flour. Then you have to mix it together. When it's fully mixed and there are no chunks, you turn off your heat. So now we will turn it off and let it rest. Now that our mushroom soup is ready for chopping, come on, let's get to the chopping. Now, all we got to do is press this button a bunch of times. Now, when it's done chopping, you have to pour it back into your pan and turn on your stove. Then, you have to heat it to the desired temperature. And if you want to make it thicker, you can add a flour and water mixture that is thick, like what I did right here. You have to pour it in to make it more thick. Now you want to cover it and let it boil.